Customer service, the backbone of a successful business. In today's competitive world, providing good products is not enough for a business to succeed. Customer service, the way a business interacts and serves its customers, is also very important. Excellent customer service is often the key to a company's success. This video aims to explore why customer service is crucial and how it can impact a business. What is customer service? Customer service is the help and support that a company offers to people who buy or use its products or services. This can happen in person, over the phone, through email, or on social media platforms. Customer service representatives, also known as customer care agents, are usually the people responsible for this job. Their role is to answer questions, solve problems, and make the experience of buying or using a product as good as possible. Why is it important? Customer retention. One of the main benefits of good customer service is that it keeps customers coming back. It costs much more to attract a new customer than to keep an existing one. When people have a good experience, they are more likely to return. Word of mouth. Happy customers often tell others about their positive experiences. This word-of-mouth advertising can be very effective and costs the company nothing. Competitive advantage. Many businesses offer similar products or services. Exceptional customer service can make a company stand out from its competitors. Brand reputation. Good customer service contributes to a strong brand image. A company known for its excellent service is often viewed as reliable and trustworthy. Key elements of good customer service. Communication. Clear and polite communication is essential. Customer service agents should listen attentively to what the customer is saying and respond in a way that addresses their needs. Speed and efficiency. Customers value quick and effective solutions to their problems. Long waiting times can be frustrating and may lead to lost sales. Knowledgeable staff. Employees should have good knowledge about the company's products or services. This enables them to answer questions accurately and provide useful information. Problem solving. Sometimes things go wrong. Good customer service involves finding a way to fix issues and make the customer happy. Personalization. Treating each customer as an individual can make them feel valued. This can be as simple as using their name during a conversation. The role of technology. In recent years, technology has changed customer service significantly. Many companies now use chatbots on their websites to answer common questions. This allows human agents to focus on more complicated issues. Social media also plays a vital role. Customers can now easily share their experiences, both good and bad, which can greatly affect a business. Conclusion. In summary, customer service is an essential part of any business. It helps to keep customers happy, promotes a positive brand image, and can give a company a competitive edge. In a world where customers have many choices, the quality of customer service can often be the deciding factor. Therefore, companies should invest time and resources into training staff and implementing systems that help provide excellent service. Remember, a happy customer is often a loyal customer.